Okay, hello.
Hello.
Hello, everybody. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you? Okay, now, how's the weather today? How's the weather? Let's look outside. How's the weather?
Sunny and a little bit cloudy.
Yes. Is this cloudy?
No.
No. What's this?
Windy, not
Yes.
cloudy.
Windy.
Windy.
Is this cloudy?
Yes.
Cloudy.
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 Is this cloudy?
No.
What's this?
Snowy.
Yes. Snowy.
Snowy.
Okay. Is this cloudy?
No.
What's this?
Rainy.
Yes. Rainy.
Rain.
Okay. What's this?
Sunny.
Yes. Sunny.
Sunny.
Okay. So how's the weather today?
Cloudy and sunny.
Yes. So let's say it's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy today.
It's cloudy today.
It's sunny.
It's sunny.
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
Okay. Good. So that was about weather. Bye bye weather.
Bye bye weather.
Okay. Now today I have here cards with
Number.
yes, numbers. Numbers.
Number.
Okay, so let's talk about numbers. What number is this?
1.
Yes, very good. 1.
1.
1. Okay, now what's next? What's next?
2.
Very good. 2.
2.
2. Okay, now what's next?
3.
Yes, 3. Uh-oh. What number is this?
4.
Very good. 4.
4.
Okay, now what number is missing here?
3.
Yes, so I've got 3.
3.
3. Okay, what's next?
4.
No.
5.
All right. 5. Okay, what's next? What number is next? Ta-dang. What's this?
7.
Very good. 7. Okay, now what number is missing here?
6.
Yes, you're right. Where is 6? Ah, this is 6. Okay, everybody. 6. Okay, now do you remember the song about the 7 steps?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let's sing the song. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. Now, what number is next? What's next?
8.
You're right. 8.
8.
Everybody, 8. Okay, and what's next? What's next?
9.
You're right. 9.
9.
9. Okay, and the last number for today is yes, 10. Okay, now let's repeat the numbers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Let's say it together. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look, all these numbers are all different colors. Colors. For example, what color is 1?
Red.
Yes, very good. Red. So, 1 is red.
1 is red.
Okay. What color is 2?
Yellow.
Everybody. Yellow. Okay, so 2 is yellow.
2 is yellow.
Okay, what color is 3?
Blue.
Very good. Blue. So let's say 3 is blue.
3 is blue.
Okay, what color is 4?
Green.
Very good, everybody. Green. 4 is green.
4 is green.
Okay, what color is 5?
Pink.
No, it's orange.
Orange.
Yes, 5 is orange.
5 is orange.
And what color is 6?
Yellow.
No, it's brown.
It's brown.
Yes, 6 is brown.
6 is brown.
And what color is 7? Do you know?
Black.
No, it's white.
It's white.
7 is white.
7 is white.
Okay, now what color is 8?
White.
No, it's black.
It's black.
Okay, 8 is black.
8 is black.
And what color is 9?
Pink.
Very good. Yes, dark pink. So, pink. 9 is pink.
9 is pink.
And what color is 10?
Lavender.
Yes, lavender or purple.
Purple.
Okay, 10 is purple.
10 is purple.
Okay, now let's repeat all the colors. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's say together. Ready, steady, go. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, brown, white, black, pink, purple. So all these are colors.
Color.
Okay, so today we talked about numbers and colors. Okay, so our English lesson for today is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Yuri.
Thank you, everybody, and see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.